Hello my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun items to share with you today. One, which I'm really excited about, is a full pack of white glitter. Now, glitter paper. Now, you can call it white, you can call it iridescent. All I know is it's gorgeous. And I hope you can kind of see on camera how gorgeous it is. And you get lots of sheets. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 8 sheets of this gorgeous, gorgeous paper. Now, this is a little thinner than most of our normal ones, but that means it's just going to die cut even easier than the other ones. And you know what? It is absolutely gorgeous. You have to see it in person. The other item that we're releasing, and many of you have been asking about this one for a long time, it is our Cherry Plus mini set. So this is minis of all of our newer colors. For example, we have marigold, cherry, sunshine, and I believe that is licorice, finally. So now I'm going to take all of these and I'm going to add them to my collection over here because sometimes I need those colors and I don't have them. Now I use the Stamp and Store and Go. We actually have another item coming soon to the Stamps of Life that will be even better for these little guys. But for now, I'm going to use this. I'm going to have to take these out and put those somewhere else. But look at that. Now I have more to add to my collection. Now, what else is new? We have finally, a lot of you have been waiting for this one. This is the t-shirt Fold-it. This is the Fold-it card that we released in one of our classes one year, and we never put it on our website. So now you can get it on our website, and look how fun it is. You can make your own card out of it, so you could do a #1 dad. It has a fun hanger, so you could even hang a shirt on it if you wanted to. It has the #1, it has a flower, it has cute little pockets you could add to your paper. Add to your little t-shirt, but look at how cute that is. You're an all-star or all-star. Look at how cute that is. Isn't that cute? You can make it any color. We're also releasing, if you miss them, if you're not in the kit club, we had a couple extra of the tag kit and the leaf stem kit. This is the one you want to get for sure, right? Look at this. Ready? Ready? The samples that we got from our design team on this one will knock your socks off. You can do it like that. You can, it also has the layering, the layering shadow die. Look at this one. You can double it up. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that gorgeous? Now here's another one with our 5-petal background. So beautiful. So if you did not get this one, go get it now. Once it's gone, we will not be re-releasing it. So get it now. Get it quick. Get it, get it, get it. That t-shirt one. Oh gosh. And the glitter paper. Oh, too many exciting things. Go check out the stampsoflife.com. Of course, club members, you're going to get that club discount. If you're not in the club, what are you waiting for? It's only $11.95 a month. And that includes a new stamp set. It includes getting club points, being able to use club points on anything on our website. It includes a 15 to 20% discount off of everything on our website, including machines, including storage, ink pads, dyes, stamps, acrylic blocks, adhesives, you name it, discount. It's like a sale every day if you're a club member. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.